Congratulations on buying your 300 watt oscillating multi-tool. The unit comes packed in a nice carry case with compartments for all the accessories. The accessories include a 30mm plunge blade for plunging into softwoods, drywalling and plastics. Also comes with a half circle blade for soft metals, wood, plastics and again drywalling. Scraper blade for lifting tiles, flooring, taking the glue off floor tiles, etc. A sanding pad and 3 sheets for that sanding pad with which are different grits: 60, 120 and 240. Unit itself, overmolded construction, nice and easy on-off switch with variable speed at the back. Dust extraction, which can be removed by undoing that clip if so desired. Allen key for adding the blades. These are easily done. Clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise to remove the outer flange and add the blade. There is another video online which you can see on how to fit a blade. The Allen key sits at the back on the cord protector there. It also comes with a full instruction manual with details on how to do various jobs.